When we talk about API styles, we're diving into a world of choices that shape how applications communicate. First up, we have REST. It's like the Swiss Army knife of APIs, simple, stateless, and uses standard HTTP methods. The downside? It can get a bit rigid, especially with complex data relationships. Then there's GraphQL, the cool kid on the block. It lets clients request exactly what they need, reducing overfetching. But be careful. Its flexibility can lead to complex queries that might bog down performance if not managed well. Next, we have SOAP, the old guard. It's highly secure and great for enterprise-level applications, but its strict standards can feel cumbersome and verbose. Lastly, we have gRPC, which is all about speed and efficiency, using protocol buffers for data serialization. However, it's not as widely adopted, which can limit interoperability with other systems. Each style has its strengths and weaknesses, and the best choice often depends on the specific needs of your project.